This is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here I'm going to share a solution which is asked by Pradeep from Telegram group. It's very, very complicated and logical too. So, before going to that, I will like to tell you that if you have any sort of Excel queries, you can send me in Telegram group. If anybody wants to join, I'm I'm mentioning group link in description of this video. Now sharing the query. Here is the query. See, actually it's very, very logical, complicated. Now what you have to do means, first of all, you have to match these names. Okay. See, different are they, sir? Here, if I type Ramesh, Jain, Naveen. Okay. Then also it will match. Okay. First name, last name, middle name are interchanged itself. Okay. Observe clearly. Here Om Prakash Rathod, here Rathod Om Prakash. Here Ramesh Jain Naveen, Naveen Ramesh Jain. Rajkumar Kumar Raj. So we have to pick it out. If it matches, you have to keep matched. Okay. If it is not, leave it as it is. Okay. Suppose here instead of Kumar Raj, if I type Shiva, then see what will happen. Value error. Okay. So search will not work, match will not work. If you want, you can check it out with search of this. Search of this with this. Then it will give you value errors because it will pick up first character. Okay, search will pick up the first character of the position. So R is the position in 1 and here it is showing N. For that reason it is showing value error. Done. So here I'm going to share a solution. See, first of all, you have to separate each and every word individually. Okay, it is in one cell, you have to separate individually. First thing, what I'll do, mid of, substitute of, the delimiter is space which is already there, adding this, prefixing to this value in mid, comma, old text, as we know that is space, comma, new text, repeat space 255 times. Okay, close parenthesis. And here, mid function, text part is over. Now coming to starting number. Okay, so what I'll do, 1 into 255 and number of characters, all characters. So what it will do, it will show you extra spaces with one name, that is Ramesh, F9. Okay, so what I'll do here, I will do trim to rid of extra spaces, to removing extra spaces. Okay, F9, Ramesh. If I enter 2 here instead of 1, it will show you the second word. It may be a middle name or it may be a last name, F9. So what I want 3 words at a time, not 1, latter 2, latter 3. 3 words at a time. Middle name, first name, last name. So what I'll do here, I'll use one function, that is row of indirect percent length of this. Close parenthesis, still row. Now it will pick up 3 words with extra blanks. Okay, extra blank without any spaces, F9. Extra blanks. Okay, without any space. So what I'll do here, so many ways are there, but I'm showing this way. Search of, what I'll show you, search of this comma in this. It will pick up three words and it's searching three words. Okay, F9. It will search three words. Okay, not one word, three words it will search with extra spaces, with middle spaces like this. Okay, Control Z, but we want only the numbers which are greater than 1. So what I'll do here, I will show you if or okay, if or let's see, I'll do for comma greater than 1, comma, not comma, close parenthesis, comma. No, value, if value true, matched. Else, not matched. Done. Close parenthesis. It is not a array function, it is a normal function. Okay. Enter. Matched. Control D. Here, value errors, but not showing, not matched. Why it's showing not matched here? It has to show not matched, right? It is the logical value true. Value false. Yes. Here there is no false. Here it's showing errors. Okay. Here it will show you the error. In this place it will show you the error. Neither true nor false. It will show you the error. For that it will pick up in the error. See, in first F9, I will show you. It's showing error. For that reason, it is pick up in the error. Okay, if you want to remove error, then better use instead of this F2, if error, if you want to remove this thing, okay. If error, show me the blank. Enter. Control D. Got it? See, all names should match. Three names should match. Middle name, first name, last name. Here, middle name, first name, last name. Three should match. Two should match. If it is one, one should match. One and three, sorry, two and three, then also it has to match. Like this. Ramesh Jain is there. Only Ramesh Jain. Here, Naveen Ramesh Jain is there. Okay, it has to match, right? Matched. Because minimum it will pick up the names. Okay, Jain also it will work. Jain, Ramesh Jain, Naveen Jain. Three things. Naveen Jain, okay. Ramesh Jain, okay. Jain, okay. Instead of another Jain, we'll keep another Jain. Like Surya Jain. Let's think. It will not work. Got it? It will not work. Got my point? Okay, so here I am sharing the formula for you guys. Formula text. Here it is. Here is the, sorry, NA is there. Where is the formula? Here is the, okay, here is the formula actually. F2, here is the formula. Okay, guys, if you want, you can check it with this formula. Okay, little bit. Okay, I will do one thing. Okay, leave it off. Again, another function. What is the use of that? Okay, here is the formula. Yes, here is the formula. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.